This short course on Excel looks at some of the key areas that you'll need to know to equip you to get you back into the workforce, transition into a different role, or even help you with career advancement. So if this describes something that you're looking to achieve, then having a good working knowledge of a software program like Excel is definitely a step in the right direction. And look, I can only tell you that with confidence because not only have I trained on Excel for the past 10 years, but I've also been an employer for over 12 years. But you know, have you ever opened up a new software program for the very first time and just thought of it, looked at it and thought, you know, where do I start? It can be a really daunting experience, especially if you're in a situation where people expect that you're going to hit the ground running. So in lesson 1, I'll take you through the basics. In lesson 2, we'll get started on some serious number crunching, and we'll bring it all together in lesson 3, where we'll have you linking formula across sheets in no time at all. Each video lesson is followed by a guided practice session where the skills I've taught you in the lesson are put into practice in a project file that we'll work on throughout the course. The course also comes with a comprehensive student manual that follows the flow of the videos and has screenshots that have been taken directly from them. The student manual also has lots of white space where you can make your own notes if you find that that's something that helps you to learn and retain knowledge. And of course, the manual can be very useful as a tool to help you recall parts of the course when a video is not a viable thing to watch. I'll also be sharing the best practice techniques I've acquired from my extensive commercial use of the program and the experience I have had literally training hundreds of students on Excel over the years. So I really look forward to working with you to help you kick your goals by having confidence in your abilities in the use of Microsoft Excel.